Welcome to Let Me Cook For You, a new series. A bit of a warning for you. If you're not a fan of mayo, this recipe might challenge your taste buds. But for those who are up for it, you're in for a treat. We're taking a creative spin on a Japanese favorite. That's right, we're making an okonomiyaki-style ramen, a fusion of the savory, layered flavors of okonomiyaki and the classic comfort of ramen. Intrigued? Stick around till the end because I've got a little bonus for you. Let's set off on this flavorful journey together. Now, let's talk about the star of our dish, Kewpie mayonnaise. This isn't your typical American mayo. It's a Japanese variety that's a bit sweeter and tangier, but not as sweet as Miracle Whip. The secret? Kewpie uses only egg yolks and a blend of rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Unlike American mayo, which usually uses whole eggs and white vinegar. I love its unique taste. It adds a special zing to our dish. Moving on to the noodles. This isn't your average instant ramen. I've picked a special kind, mostly found in Asian markets. Check this out. It's still instant ramen, labeled restaurant-style ramen with ramen, written in hiragana. We're using the shoyu tonkotsu flavor today. And for the curious, there are other flavors like miso taste, tonkotsu taste, and soy sauce taste. Each offers a unique spin to your ramen adventures. But today, we're going with the savory depth of shoyu tonkotsu. Trust me, it's a game changer. Let's see what's inside our restaurant-style ramen package. Here we go. Look at this. Not one, but two bundles of ramen. And a pair of shoyu tonkatsu flavor packets. What's great about this pack is that it's designed for sharing. Each package comes with enough ingredients to make two hearty bowls. Perfect for a dinner with your significant other. Or hey, if you're feeling extra hungry, two delicious servings for yourself. Before we get to the final reveal, let's talk about an essential garnish that will take our okonomiyaki-style ramen to the next level. This is furikake, a quintessential Japanese seasoning. It's a blend of chopped nori, ground fish bones, sesame seeds, a hint of sugar, and other ingredients. It packs a wonderfully fishy flavor, often used as rice seasoning, but its versatility knows no bounds. We're going to sprinkle this over our finished dish for that extra burst of umami. It is a bit fishy, but oh so good. In go the noodles. Watch how they start to soften almost immediately. We'll give them a gentle stir to make sure they're fully submerged. The goal is to cook them evenly. Now, here's a little trick I like to use. Instead of using the entire seasoning packet, we're only going to add half of it as the noodles cook. This way, we get just the right balance of flavor, without overpowering the delicate taste of our other ingredients. It's all about finding that perfect harmony in flavors. So here's a little insider tip. After cooking, I separated the noodles and broth off camera. This dish is all about the subtle infusion of flavors, not drenching the noodles in liquid. I'm adding just a couple of spoonfuls of our rich broth to the noodles. It's not about creating a soup. It's about giving the noodles just enough moisture and flavor to enhance their taste without overwhelming them. This technique ensures every bite is perfectly balanced. And as for the rest of this broth, well, let's just say it won't go to waste. Make sure you stick around to the end. There's a tasty twist coming up that you'll definitely want to see. Now it's time for a little secret that elevates this dish to new heights. Behold, eel sauce. This is my personal twist. Just a bit of this rich, savory sauce goes a long way. It complements the noodles with its deep umami flavor. Next up, our trusty Kewpie mayo. A generous squeeze of Kewpie adds a creamy, tangy layer. Then, we'll lightly sprinkle some of that shoyu tonkotsu flavor packet we saved earlier. Remember, it's all about layering these flavors delicately. And finally, a dash of furikake for that irresistible crunch and burst of flavor. Let's not forget a quick cleanup of the dish's edges for that perfect presentation. And here it is, the pièce de résistance, our Okonomiyaki-Ramen, a fusion dish that's as delightful to the eyes as it is to the palate. Dive into the depths of flavor in every bite. Welcome to our bonus round. Let's transform the leftover broth into a breakfast sensation. First off, I'm stirring in the remaining shoyu tonkotsu flavor packet. Egg time. I'm going with 3, but feel free to adjust according to your taste. And here's a tip. If you're not using the broth right away, just save and refrigerate it. It's perfect for cooking later, whenever you fancy a flavorful kick. Now, let's get stirring. Keep at it until the eggs are fully cooked. This is where the magic happens, turning our broth into a rich and savory scrambled egg mixture. This dish might not win a beauty contest, but the flavors are absolutely sensational. It's an ingenious way to use our leftover broth and start your day with a flavor-packed breakfast. Behold, our shoyu tonkotsu flavored scrambled eggs. It's an unconventional breakfast that's sure to awaken your taste buds. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Let Me Cook For You. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more culinary adventures. Your support is hugely appreciated. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, there's always something new to try in the kitchen. See you next time.